Hello everybody, today I have a new stock to trade. This time it's Alibaba, so I'll go over that in a minute. So let's have a look at the fear and greed index for the stock market. We're currently at 43 and yesterday 37, so we did go from extreme fear last week to fear this week. And for the crypto market, we are still greedy. So let's dive into the charts. S&P 500, so I'm still in my long, making new all-time high. Not much to see here, again, low volume. Gold, selling off a bit. I was looking at, let's see. Yeah, at this golden zone. I thought that we would push a bit higher until we would reach the 1825 region. So let's hope we not roll over here and make new lows. So yeah, so for now no trade here. Let's see what's this green line. Is this a support line? Yeah, it looks like. So yeah, as long as we hold in this green line, then we should still be fine in looking for long positions. Silver neutral today. Yeah, also not much to trade here. DXY, so dollar strength, not much has changed. Euro Hungarian forint, this is quite an interesting one because we just did bounce off from the 0.886. Let's remove the background, makes it more clear. There we go. And no, we just missed it. Anyway, I added more to my long position, because if we have a look at OBV, let's bring it up, OBV, so on balance volume, then you can see we have this low here on the 23rd of June, which has this volume signature, and today we went lower, but actually we're going higher in volume, so we're going up like this, and then if you compare it from here, we're going down, so we have some bullish divergence over here. So this looks good, and I think also on the MACD we also had yeah, here on the MACD we had the low around the 9th of August, and look, today we closed higher, so also here we go from low to high, and price is making lower lows. So also here we have a bullish divergence, so those two combined is quite a powerful one. So given also that the 0.886 retracement is over here, so yeah, this lines up perfectly. And let's see volume wise whether there's something significant. No. Okay, so in short, I've added to my long position, and then we will see from here. So I think this line can be moved like this as a potential support line. So yeah. Then the other stocks, so Deutsche Bank still below this let's take off the volume by price. Still below the previous support line. Still not looking good. PayPal coming down. That's good for the short. XLF, quite interesting action today. We're retesting the highs. So now we will see whether we reject from here or we push through, and then the whole distribution is invalidated. GDX, here we had a harmonic in play, so this butterfly, so we're coming down today, but we're still not taking out the previous lows, so we're fine. 30-year treasury coming up again, nicely back into the pitchfork, so that's also going nice. The copper trade also still going nice. And actually, yeah, if you would have traded the butterfly, then this would already be take profit 1. But as I explained before, for me, I'm looking for prices higher up here around the 4.52, 4.55 region. And now let's go to Alibaba. So this one is selling off like crazy. I think it was around 50% from the top to bottom. Yeah, 52%. So maybe there's this deep crap pattern in play. Don't mind the structure here on the right hand side. It might be much wider because this one, the left side of this pattern is from 2018, so it took almost 3 years to form, so the right hand side might take as well a couple of years. Even on the monthly, this one, this pattern becomes visible. So it's probable, you know, that point C and D, they're more like this. And we should come down lower. 1.618. There you go. Just let's double check. Yeah, that's the one. Oof. Yeah, now that I look at it, the question is whether this one will work out, because that would mean that Alibaba is would become almost worthless. But yeah, you never know if we have a severe stock crash. It's always possible. So yeah, we're gonna have to see how this one works out. But okay, probably this is not the most likely scenario. But I did enter along anyway, and the reason being is that let's attach this one to the low. Is of course the golden zone. So if you take the Fibonacci retracement from the high to the low, and then we look at the 0.618 retracement, which is at $255.71. So this would be a nice bounce up. So let's see. Suppose you enter now, and we're still looking at a 50% increase. So that's nice. I don't know why it lost the anchor point. Okay, now it's good. So this one I will mark red, because also this confluences with the value area high from the volume profile from the top till the bottom. And then also So as I mentioned before, we did retrace, as you can see, 0.879, so almost the 0.886 from the low over here. And then also have a look at the volume, because when we formed this low, we had almost a 2% increase in value. But look at the volume. This is just gigantic compared to to the previous year, 2 years. This is just an incredible high buying volume. Yeah, I don't see anything which comes close to it. Maybe here in June 2017. So we had, of course, big selling volumes. Also the day before we made the low. So I think all the weak hands are shaken out now. And little price action with high volume means that a lot of people were selling and a lot of people were buying. So this looks like institutions were buying up everything which was on the market for sale. So this looks really good. Okay, that's enough for the traditional markets. Then let's go to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, it's more clear, maybe on the 4-hour charts. There's this green trend line which is forming. Let's maybe remove those rectangles to make things more visible. And then also the harmonic pattern. So here we have our first touch, second touch, third touch today. And we did bounce off nicely. So now the question is, what will happen next? I still think that a very likely scenario would be that, where's the pen? Here we go. So as you know, usually after we bounce 3 times, we break through it. So this was the 3rd time. We did find support, so probably there will be now a 4th one like this, and then we will come down. I still think that is possible. This is definitely a gigantic resistance. So yeah, people might, well, especially institutions, they might take profit there, because if they bought around the bottom, yeah, they would have a 75% of profit, which is really nice. So yeah, a lot of selling volume might build up over here. So this is a support line to watch. Then Ethereum, something special over here. I don't immediately see something. No. So here, here we touched the golden zone, rejected from it, found support here around 3,125 region. So let's see, this golden zone is from the all-time high to the last low. So it still looks bullish, given the fact that that we only rejected a little bit from this zone. We're still not completely out of it, so maybe if we go a bit higher, then we might get a dump. So, okay, let's go to the algo trading. Oof, Tezos. Oh wow. Plus 25%. And we were in a short. That's not good. So that's a 25% loss. That's a pity. Dogecoin still doing nothing. Yesterday minus 9.3%. Today 0.8. And then let's have a look here. So the rebounds for Bitcoin, Ethereum, also nothing special. Bitcoin Cash, yeah, today I saw it that there was a sell signal, but it looks like we're going to close again above the trigger line. And XRP here, we are still in a short and still profitable. So still no buy signal over here. And now let's have a look at the trading account. So XRP short, $95 in profit. Bitcoin 284, Doge 80, Bitcoin Cash almost 200. Yeah, and then Tezos, this is a pity, 305 in a loss. And today we will definitely have the buy signal. So this will be a real loss, yeah, around $300. So yeah, let's hope then tomorrow that it keeps on pumping. All right, guys, that was it for me today. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.